Hello dear students, this is Shalini Mishra, your OC teacher. Welcome you all on e-learning platform of PNMRC High School. Now let's start chapter number 8 and the title of the chapter is Sources of Business Finance. First of all, let's study the introduction of the chapter. Dear student, business finance means the funds and credit employed in the business. Finance is the foundation of a business. Without finance, there is no existence of business. Finance requirements are to purchase assets, goods, raw materials, and for the other flow of economic activities. In simple words, if we want to define business finance, we can say that business finance can be broadly defined as the activity concerned with the planning, raising, controlling, and administering the funds and in the business. Now let's study some meaning of business finance. Money required for carrying out business activities is called business finance. Or we can say that business finance is a process of raising, providing, managing of all the money that is to be used in connection with the business activities. Or we can define that business finance is the finance required for the conducting business activities. Modern business required huge amount of fixed and working capital for conducting the business. Now let's study why we need business finance. First is for establishing business. Dear students, in order to start a business, funds are needed to purchase fixed assets like land and building, plant and machinery. The funds required in fixed asset remain invested in the business for a long period of time. Next need of business finance is for purchase of fixed assets. A business needs funds for its day-to-day operation. This is known as the working capital requirements. Working capital is required for purchase of raw materials, to pay salaries, wages, rent and taxes, etc. Third is for current assets. Current assets represent all the assets of a company that are expected to be conveniently sold, consumed, used, or exhausted through standard business operations with 1 year. Current assets appear on a company's balance sheet, one of the required financial statements that must be completed each year. Next need of business finances for modernization and expansion of business. Finance is needed to adopt modern technology, for example, uses of computers in business. A company needs more funds to diversify and expand its operation to become a multi-product company, for example, ITC. Next need of business finances for accidental requirements. There are many internal and external factors which affect the business unit, due to which requirement of capital arise to meet the factors like employees strike, changes in government policy, trade cycle, natural disasters, etc. Dear students, in next video we will discuss importance of finance in business firms. Thank you.